Hi everyone, welcome to another behind the scenes video this weekend. And what I thought I would do is I had the boat out this weekend. I brought it back in and I wanted to show you the whole docking process, because that's the most terrifying part of living on a boat when you come back in from being out. So I had the camera position only in one position. It wasn't the best, but you'll get a feel for what it's like to try and bring a 40-foot boat into a small docking position. Yeah, so check this video out now. Right, second time lucky. Now I can really feel the wind. Now I can really feel the wind. Felt calm before, but now it's blowing.
It's not as bad as it was a minute ago.
So I'm kind of going to put the bow in at about 1 o'clock, yeah, against the dock, sort of thing, yeah. Is that looking better?
Yeah, right. Boom. Now forward again.
How we're looking? All right? Good jump. Whoop. Hit it. Okay, hope you all enjoyed that. That was a little bit of... There's nothing worse on a boat than trying to dock the boat. It's the most nervous time. It's great when you're out in the ocean because there's nothing to hit, but when you're in here and you've got wind blowing, you've got tide going on, and yeah, anyway, now we've turned the boat around and everything's good. So hope you enjoyed that.